To be playing in 2025, but here, I mean 2026, but here we are. Today we are playing Piggy. Yep, I've got it. Okay, we've been playing for a while. Carnival is like a favorite map. I know. Yeah, it's definitely creepy. Yeah. Okay, obviously I'm gonna vote player because player's quite good, but I think the next time I'm gonna vote infection. Oh yeah. Yeah, and I've been Piggy quite a few times. I think I've been two times, three times. I don't know. Oh, yeah, I don't know what skin you have. Okay, I'm gonna guess a not sure actually. Maybe a I think you have Wilbur. Ooh. Uh, why can't I get this door open, guys? Oh, that's an orange key. I'm quite stupid for wait, I need the white key, guys. We've gotta get the white key, but I can't get in. Oh yeah. I guess I'm just gonna go grab the green key and go open the green door. Because that's a cyan key and that's a purple key. Now I don't know where the green key goes because I'm not the best pick. Okay, thank you. Now we need a plant, which I don't know where it is. No. That's bad though. Guys, she just said she's gonna come. No. Girl, why can't I get this ammo? Never mind. I just need to go get some more keys. No, I'm just honestly trying. Okay, are you sure? Yeah, I know. I already unlocked it. Yep, I've got flag. Thank- Is this, what is this? Oh, okay. Got it. I don't know what is it. This that needs fixing. Oh, it's already fixed. Doesn't need. Oh, it needs a sponge. I know. Yep. No, I don't have a run on orange key. I don't know where it is. Hmm. This needs good. Okay. Ah. Oh, I'm glad I still have this one. I don't want to go into that cage because I'm gonna die. Oh, okay. Can you switch it out for the? Can you switch things out while you're crawling? Oh, it's okay. Don't worry. Fine. I mean, I technically kind of helped on trying to do that, so I'm gonna say we kind of won. Kind of. I'm not saying we did. Y'all, you need the code. Get the code, girlie. Well, I'm new as well. Girl, you are good at it. Yeah, is that one of the code numbers anyway? Ugh. Um, no, nobody's joined. Someone's in the trap. She's in the trap. The Hello Kitty got in the trap. Oh, she just got out of it. Can't get out. Extra, extra, read all about it. Matthew, but he can't get out of it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Sorry, I'm playing with my dog, guys. Oh my gosh, she's doing so well. God, kill her, kill her, kill her. Can't get out of it. The other girl is in the green place. Whether okay, wait, no, she's gone now. Uh, no, there's just two. Okay, No, they're going the other way. Wait. Shut the door. It's over this way. I know, right? Ugh. If you have to camp, then you're gonna have to camp. I know. Yes. I'll still. Oh, okay. Yeah, coming. I can't. How do you get piggy coins? Because I do have a few. I know, but how do you get piggy coins? Uh, that's how I have some piggy coins. Okay. Thanks for the information. Okay, guys. I'm kind of okay. Let's go for carnival again because it's peak. No, not hospital. Yeah, no. Yes. Sorry, buddy. Okay, let's go play it. Who? Um. Yeah, sure. No, we'll do traitor if you want. Oh, I guess nobody's gonna be piggy then. Oh, I know. And go. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. I feel really bad because Scarlett had to go, but the piggy is actually a bot. So I don't know. Because we got the plank. Piggy's woken up. Now, but imagine if the bot. Okay, right. We need red key in exchange for the plank. This is gonna be a 15-minute video. Because yes, I don't actually want my videos to be so long and all that. Piggy! No! 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 Oh, no way. Okay, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye.